We have, in past 35 years, we have conducted 49 state level athletic championship. The state level athletic championship will be held on 27th and 28th October at Athletic Stadium, Bambolim. Approximately, we have got 1,200 entries, and today also we have received some entries, though the last date of entries has been closed. Categories for this event will be under 8 boys and girls, under 10 boys and girls, under 12 boys and girls, under 14 boys and girls, under 16 boys and girls, under 18 boys and girls, under 20 boys and girls, and men's and women's. Under 18, under 20. We will be trying to see. आम्ही कालच SCG meeting झाल्या, so let's focus on that outcome. What they are saying regarding camp and all. We are planning to have, actually all associations they are planning to have camp for minimum 3 months before the games. Before the games. Now we are waiting for the approval on 27th from the CM. We can start day boarding camp also though. But we are focusing on 16, 18 and 20. Because minimum age is 16.